What is going on, everyone? This is Chipimus here, and today we are going to be taking a look at Android Wear for iOS. So Android Wear for iOS just came out. Google just planned to release it today, and it was supposed to be working on LG Urban and two other watches from Asus, and I think one from Toshiba or some other company. Two of which are not available for purchase yet on the market. But apparently it's also working with the newer version of Moto 360. So as long as you have the 5.1.1 update on your Android Wear watch, you should be fine. The Android Wear watch should work. So in order for us to do this, first of all, we have to install the app on the iPhone. You can find this in the App Store. It's a pretty simple app. You can just search for Android Wear, and that's pretty much the name of the app. After you've done that, I'll have the link of the app in the description below just in case. After you've done that, make sure that the watch that you've already set up before, go ahead and factory reset it, because it's not going to work if you just try to connect it to your iPhone. So I'm going to go ahead and do a factory reset. Now make sure that you do this thinking that it's going to erase all of your data on the watch. So if you're storing something, like if you need some data like walk, heartbeat, or anything else, you're not going to have to save that. You are going to have to lose it. So I'm gonna go ahead and factory reset the watch, and I'll come back as soon as it's done. Alright guys, so as you can see, the watch is factory reset and it's saying me hello in pretty much every other language that I don't know. And we're gonna go ahead and set this watch up with my iPhone. So I'm using iPhone 6 for this now. You can use pretty much anything above iPhone 5 because you need iOS 8 or 9. iOS 8 to work with Android Wear. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and make sure you turn on your Bluetooth. So that's what I'm going to do first, and once you've done that, go ahead into your Android Wear watch, and it's going to pretty much walk you through the directions. So let's go ahead and set this up. So I already have a watch. Let's go ahead and click on next. Let Google Fit use the sensor data. Sure, why not? And once you see this, you're gonna see your watch in the list below. So I'm gonna go ahead and swipe right. I'm gonna press on English and agree to the Motorola policy. Now it's gonna ask me to connect to a power source. You don't need to worry about that. Just go ahead and click on your watch right here. So I can see my Moto 360. I'm gonna go ahead and connect to that. And it's asking me to enter the code that I have on my watch. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I guess I messed up the code. Okay, 932167. Okay, hopefully I got that right this time. And it's pairing. Alright, so as you can see on the watch itself, it's pretty much paired, and it's gonna go ahead and update some of the things that the watch requires, like the apps and stuff, and pretty much the watch faces as well. So it's going to download a couple of watch faces which they've made for the iPhone. You can also go ahead and download some other watch faces which we're going to take a look at in the next video. So go ahead and stay tuned for that. I'll have a link of that video in the description below as well. And well, we are pretty much done finishing setting up the watch, and I'm going to log in with my account. So let's go to that. Turn on watch notifications, turn on location. Do you want Android Wear to use the location? Of course. And turn on calendar, and we're pretty much done. So as you can see, it says my Moto 360 is connected, and we can go ahead and look at the watch now, and as you can see, it's pretty much set up. I can see all the cards and stuff, and it's connected to my iPhone. So this is pretty much for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out a lot. You can go ahead and subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe link down this video, and do give this video a thumbs up and share it on Facebook, Twitter, whatever you want. Alright, this is pretty much for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.